Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get your hair from this to this in literally couple hours. Man them! Wagwan! Yo dog, you good? Yeah dog, me there you know, wagwan! Dog, you know say me there? Boom, me there all a vibe dog, you see me? Just you know the thing set, me just there. Me out here I do videos, I walk and thing, you know the vibes dog, you already know the vibes. So, yo, what you deal with over there so? You good man?
Ballin' since I was a jit.
What you say? Yeah dog, me good dog, me there. But Sean, I have one question for you. Me have one real question for you. Dog, what you cut your ear for? Like for real? Why you cut off all of your ear? Can me ear from what day you hear ear say you cut your ear in the dog? Why? Tell me. Why you cut your ear dog? Why you know say honestly dog, me don't know why me cut my ear. But just want to try something new dog, you see me? You see me? I want to try something new for subscribers them. So I cut my ear. Jano. So you go sometime. You have to start new, you see me? Me not gonna lie no bro. It no fit you no dog. Me don't know where you cut the hair for the dog that look good for you at all brother. You need to grow that back right now. It's gonna take a while but you need to grow that back brother. Cause it not work for you dog, it not work for you at all. You see me? I cannot just shut up dog. Me tell you say something new me I try brother. Me tell you say something new me I try. Ask the subscriber them. Ask them if they not think me look good with the short hair. Ask them. And subscribers, please tell him say the ear no fit him. The short ear no fit him at all. Please, Sean subscribers, tell him. Say Sean, go down there comment section. Say Sean, why you cut your hair? Ask him. Why you cut your hair? You see me? Ask him. Anyways, dog, as what me say, something new me I try. And you know what? Since my ear short already, we're gonna try if we do something new. We're gonna try if we get some waves in this place, you see me? So, guys, if you want to know how to get waves, stay tuned. Because this is literally how you get waves in one day. We're gonna try it out. Let's get it.
He needs some milk.
Down. Look at me. Down. I know some of y'all are like, why? Sean, why bro? Why you cut your ear? But it done. It is what it is, you see me? Oh my god! To this nigga you drop everything from the ground, brother. Jesus Christ. You need a hand mirror, a comb, spray bottle, conditioner, ear oil conditioner, whatever, shampoo. You're gonna need a soft brush. I use one Torino Pro soft brush right now. And you're gonna need a medium hard brush. Okay, so the first step is to wet your hair, wash your ear. Your hair gonna be smelling dirty, crusty and musty. Wash it out. So this gonna be the first wash. Boom. Wet it. Get about a little bit of shampoo, like that amount of shampoo. Here dirty, so you're not listening to that. So technically go watch like 3 times. Just start over here. Put it. Jesus. I must tell Jesus. After you do the first wash, Wash it here again. So this is the second time washing. Make sure you see the lather. Make sure you hear lather with me. This is the second wash. Now, with the shampoo in, get your hard medium brush. Depends on how long your hair be. You use one hard or one medium brush. My hair short right now, so I'm using a medium. Wet it. Wet the brush. Get your mirror. And you start brushing. This is the wash and style method. You see me? Just start brushing. Brush. Brush. I'm going to brush, trying to lay my hair down right now. So basically that's the point of this brush session. Trying to get my hair laid down into the pattern that I want it to go. So that's what I'm doing right now. Trying to get my hair laid down. That should be easy because my hair is short right now. So this is literally getting waves in one day. I'm going to get back to you guys when my hair is laid. You see me? Brushed my hair for about 15 minutes trying to get it laid down. Wash my hair, wash out the soap out of my hair again, and we're going to go in with the next brush session. Alright? So I'm wet right now, literally. This is going to be the third time, so this is styling my hair. So after you brush it, okay, let me recap. So you wash out the dirt out of your hair, that's the first wash. Then the second wash, you apply shampoo again, brush it till it lay down, brush it in the pattern you want until the hair lay down, then wash that out. Then you're going to come back again, you're going to get your shampoo and you're going to style it. So that's what I'm doing right now. Apply the shampoo into the pattern that you're brushing your hair. I'm doing a beehive. So apply the shampoo, lather it up to that pattern. I'm already seeing a little bit of waves already, guys. Just by brushing for the first time. Styling. This will be all of my coarse hair niggas. I'm going to get back to you guys after this brush session. I'm just going to brush until I see as much waves as possible in my hair, literally. I ain't gonna stop until I see them waves. Hard work and determination. So I'll get back to you. Boom. So phone too. Brush with me right now. Let's get it. Alright guys, so this is how my hair is looking right now. Brushed it for about 20 minutes to the pattern I wanted it to go. Right now I'm not seeing no waves right here, but we can work on that. My hand I get tired from brushing right now, so I'm just wrapping it up, guys, literally. Wrap it up right now. Me get the top. As me. 20 minutes. Now after you finish doing that, guys, get some water on your hand again and lay it down. Lay it down in the pattern you was brushing it with. Lay it all down. A do-rag, you can see. Get you a do-rag. Don't wash the shampoo out. Don't wash the shampoo out. You're going to put the do-rag over it. Just like that. You see me? Tight. Tight. Tight with the shampoo still in. Important girl, do not look at hair right now. Do not wash the shampoo out. Put the do-rag over it. Get the shampoo in. Then you're going to wash it out. You see me? I'm going to get back to you guys after I'm done washing the shampoo out. Here. You see me? You see me flinging? Alright. Okay guys, so I finished washing the shampoo out. So all you gotta do after you wash the shampoo out is basically let it dry, like make it air dry. When you feel the do-rag dry, wait about an hour, 2 hours for your hair to dry, and then I'm going to get back to you and show you the next step, what you should do after that. You see me? So in the meantime, I'm going to do some reactions for the channel. You see me? If you guys want, you could go and check out my reactions. You see me? And comment down below in this comment section, like on this video here, can put the video here and tell me who did I like to see me react to. You see me? So we're gonna make it dry and we're gonna get back to Uno and I'm gonna show you the next step that you have to do after this one. So let's get right into it. Apply your oil. Boom. Get about that much oil. As when we say, apply it in a pattern your brush. Don't apply it in a different way. Apply it in a pattern that your brush. Yeah. Here. And I'm out here with the 703 I5s, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side, oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride, I get racks to go outside, and I spit it, we up on the other side, yes, Sean, brush your hair. 1, 2, 3, you should brush your hair. Sean, you must brush your hair. Brush your hair. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. You see me? So, I'm gonna show you the result right now. We don't know how it'll look, but y'all tell me. This is a couple hours. You see me? So, you see me? Boom. Y'all tell me how it looking. How it looking, Sarah? Okay. Y'all let me know. Try this and let me know in the comment section below. If y'all have any questions, ask. Like, comment, share this video. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe. Out and bye.